Most people only use the power button on their AC remote and ignore the rest. But if you use it properly, you can get better cooling, save electricity, and even make your AC last longer. In this video, I'll show you how to use your Gree AC remote step by step. Even if your remote looks a bit different, don't worry. The functions are almost the same. Before starting, make sure your AC has power and your remote has working batteries. Let's start with the basics. The power button is used to turn your AC on and off. Press it once to start the AC and press it again to turn it off. Next are the temperature buttons. These let you increase or decrease the temperature. For best performance, keep it between 24 and 26 degrees for cooling and 18 to 20 degrees for heating. Now, the mode button, one of the most important features. Default is auto mode. Press mode button multiple times to switch to a different mode. Cool mode is what you'll use most of the time for normal cooling. Heat mode is used in winter, but only works if your AC supports heating. Dry mode removes humidity from the air, which is very useful in rainy or humid weather. Fan mode runs only the fan without cooling, helping with air circulation. Auto mode lets the AC decide everything automatically, but it's not always the most efficient. Next is the fan speed button. This controls how fast air comes out of the AC. High speed cools the room faster, while low speed is quieter and more comfortable. A good tip is to start with high speed, then switch to low once the room is cool. Now let's talk about the swing function. This controls the direction of airflow. It can move the air up and down, and in some models, left and right as well. Using swing helps distribute cooling evenly across the room. You may also see a timer button on your remote. This allows you to set a time for the AC to turn on or off automatically. It's very useful at night or when you don't want the AC running all the time. To use a timer, first set the clock time using the clock button and temperature buttons. Then press the timer button, select timer on or timer off, then set the time for the timer and press the timer button again to confirm. Sleep mode is designed for nighttime use. It slowly adjusts the temperature while you sleep, keeping you comfortable while saving electricity. You can also use the quiet button for silence and turn off the indoor light with the light button for comfortable sleep. Turbo mode, sometimes called jet mode, cools or heats the room as quickly as possible. It's useful when you enter a very hot room, but should not be used continuously. Another useful feature is the child lock. Press temperature buttons together to enable or disable remote lock. And finally, avoid these common mistakes. Don't always set the temperature to the lowest level for cooling. Don't rely on auto mode all the time. Don't forget to clean the air filters. And don't ignore useful features like dry mode and timer. Here's a pro tip. Good insulation and clean filters can significantly reduce your electricity bills and improve cooling performance. Now you know how to properly use your Gree AC remote. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more AC tips, error fixes, and energy-saving guides. In the next videos, I'll cover hidden features of the Gree AC remote, along with detailed guides on functions like timer and Wi-Fi setup.